Hey, Cisco the fire escape guy. You want to know what a life safety condition looks like? Let's take a look at this tread. This tread has been rotting here for many, many years. You know how long it takes? 25 to 35 years or more. You have to leave it alone for it to rot this much. And right now, this is a hole that a child can put their foot through, a tenant can put their foot through, as well as a fireman can put his foot through, because it's dark. When they fight fires, they can't see these things. And so what you're supposed to do is fix this immediately. That's the law. You're supposed to fix emergencies immediately. So right now we have a condition here that needs attention, and the fire department needs to be made aware of. The building department needs to be made aware of this, okay? So what do? Take a picture, send it to your landlord and your management company. They ignore you, go to fire and building department with the same picture. They'll help you out, okay? And if not, send us a copy of the picture. We'll see that it gets to the right authorities. Again, Cisco the fire escape guy, saving lives one fire escape at a time.